Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are safe. Welcome to another vlog of Besties and Babies. Hold on, this is not the starting of a video. Let's rewind. Who wants to have dosha? Dosha is the one breakfast we all enjoy equally, and crispy doshas are our favorite. Vihan likes to watch videos about heart. Sometimes he really amazes us with his talks. Although he is not fully correct, but the enthusiasm he shows is more important.
After birth, the baby's heart, the valley will close. Also, the ductus arteriosus.
Our encouragement and support is all they need, and that makes them even more confident.
Orange, yellow, light green.
Vedu is always starched up because of Vihan.
Blue,
It's so difficult to make him sleep when Vihan is around.
black.
After lunch, we are heading out. It's become such a tedious task to go out. Wear a mask, take sanitizer, should not touch anywhere, and so on. But of course, it's for our own safety. Here we are, back at the market. This is Meena Market. If you want to purchase fresh fruits, vegetables, and fresh seafood, then this is the place. Prices when compared to any other supermarket, it's little low here, but only if you are purchasing in bulk quantities. You can also bargain for a reasonable price. In one of my previous vlog, I mentioned about meal planning. Not today, but in the upcoming videos, I will definitely show you how I do that. In today's video, I will show you how I keep my daily use vegetables clean and ready for everyday quick cooking.
वो नीचे क्या भी देख सकते हैं?
हाँ देखा।
We don't come here often. For us, nearby supermarkets are better option as we need vegetables in smaller quantity. Must say the vegetables were very fresh, especially the leafy ones. It was a very hot day, so we didn't stay there longer. We purchased few vegetables and fruits and then we went back home. We are passing by the Meena port. There you can see ships docked to the port. They smelled so good that we bought the whole box. These are Chausa mangoes from Pakistan. We just love mangoes. It's so sad that we don't get mangoes throughout the year. Now we don't have to tell him to wash his hands. He will himself do that immediately once we reach home. And also, you'll always find at least one toy in our bathroom.
Is the trucker. Other than I played yesterday, I played with water. Often everyone, when you come back home from outside, wash your hands and put soap.
Before we had Vedu, we were very much worried how Vihan will react. But these adorable moments make us feel so happy and so relieved.
ഞങ്ങള് ഇപ്പ വരാം.
Every time we saw a transition video, we always wanted to try once. This was our first attempt. Did you all like it? Please let us know. So shall we start sorting everything? First, we'll start with the dosha and idli batter. It's good to grind the batter and store it for 1 week. It's easier that way. Dosha and idli are a very common breakfast in any Indian household. See, we have a guest, Master Vedarsh. Okay, so now let's clean everything nicely. I wash everything before I store it. Some may not. I find it more easy for me in the mornings, as I do most of the cooking in the morning, so it's easy for me that way. We got some really good cherries in the market. We both like the smell of the coriander leaves. We can use them in so many curries and especially sambar. Do try storing this way. Trust me, you can keep them fresh for more than 7 days. It's better to remove the stems from the green chilies so that they can stay longer. Onions, garlic, ginger are needed for almost everything. It's completely safe to store peeled onions in an airtight container for 7 to 10 days. Just make sure they are not exposed to air for a longer time. I started saving so much time if the cleaning and peelings are done on the weekend. We Malayalis use curry leaves in all curries, so storing them in a proper way is also very important. I also maximum try to cut the vegetables needed for the coming week, but that I'll show you in the meal planning video. With Vedu and Vihan's classes, it was becoming very difficult for me to do all the cooking. Hari does help me a lot, but with his working time, mostly I have to manage myself. Planning ahead is a real game changer for me. I am also not an expert. I'm learning new things every week. So if you disagree on any of my methods, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to learn from you all. Each time I get so excited to see the doshas turning out to be the way exactly how they are supposed to be, crispy and tasty. Do you also feel the same way? Soft idlis and crispy dosha. I dry roast the grated coconut sometimes. We use it for sambar and black chana curry. In some videos I saw this way to store ginger garlic paste and onion tomato paste. My god, they are so helpful. And they can be stored for more than a week. This carrot achar is Hari's favorite. Amma makes this. I got the recipe from her. Do try it. From the moment we bought the mangoes, Vihan wanted mango popsicles. We can make popsicles with any fruits available.
അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോ എടുത്താലേ?
വേദു ജയിച്ചു.
വേദി ജയിച്ചല്ല, നീ മൊത്തം എടുത്ത് മാറ്റി.
വേദു ജയിച്ചപ്പോ വിഹാൻ അത് അങ്ങോട്ട് മൊത്തം റാപ്പപ്പ് ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ വിഹാനു? അതെന്താ അത്?
Because I want to play a game.
ഇത് പണ്ട് ഞങ്ങളൊക്കെ കളിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ബാറ്റും സ്റ്റമ്പും ഒക്കെ ഞാനാ കൊണ്ടുപോവുക. അപ്പൊ എന്നെ ഔട്ടാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ ആ ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ബാറ്റും സ്റ്റമ്പും എടുത്തിട്ട് നടക്കും.
ശരിക്കും?
ശരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ കളി കണക്കില്ലല്ലോ. അതേപോലെയാണ് അവൻ തോറ്റു, അപ്പൊ കളി വേണ്ട.
നല്ല കളി. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ നിർത്താം. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ഗെയിം പിന്നെ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ,
Bye bye.
അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവർക്കും ബൈ പറയൂ.
Bye.
ബൈ ബൈ. അഡ്വാൻസ് ഈദ് അൽ അദ വിഷസ് ടു എവരിവൺ.
വേദു ബൈ പറയൂ.
ബൈ പറ.
Bye.
അഡ്വാൻസ് ഈദ് അൽ അദ വിഷസ്.
Yes, to everyone.
To everyone.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Hope you all liked the video. After playing for a while, Vedu slept. So meanwhile, I am doing my editing works. So see you next time. And please watch our other videos also. Your support is very important. Do subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you next time. Bye. Also, please follow us on our Instagram page, Besties and Babies.